One day, Thomas Edison came from school and bought a letter in his hand give it to his mother. He said, "My principal sir has given me to give it to you." His mother read the letter and she started having tears in her eyes. So people were like, Thomas Edison asked, "Mother, why are you crying? What is written in this letter?" So she read the letter, and what was written in it? "Your son is genius. Our school is too small for him to teach. So please teach your son at your home. We cannot teach him." Later on, when time passed, his mother died, and when he went to his home back and he searched his old days, he searched his old memories. So he found a piece of paper lying behind the desk of his drawer. And can you imagine what was that paper? That paper was that paper which he had given to his mother, which he has bought from the school at the time of his childhood. And read the letter, he was having tears in his eyes. Do you know what was written in that letter? It was written in that letter that your son is mentally ill and this is not a place for him. Please take him to your home and we cannot teach him. See this, the power of belief, what his mother was having for his son. For his son was being a mentally ill was a superhero for him. And because he was not having that belief that what is the reality, he was in that in his subconscious mind, he was having his positive attitude with the belief, strong belief of his mother. And he, being despite of being mentally ill, became a great inventor. He was one of the richest person in the world, and he became a very rich person. So this is the moral of the story, that you should be confident enough within yourself. Never ever underestimate yourself. Be confident and stay positive. So hey, this is Nisha and I am going to share with you three implications, what we say in Hindi, Aveg. What are the three principles of impulsions which are lacking behind in the success, in the growth of our career? And are the repercussions and we can say the barriers. So stay tuned with me, and this is Nisha Jain and you are attending my session Achieve Dreams. So we were talking about the three principles of impulsions. So the number one is the greatest impulsion we always have faced, and this is the biggest challenge we always face when we are working, like when we are striving for and it is the strongest, biggest barrier in our career, that is the fear. अगर हमें कोई भी जंग को जीतना है तो अपने अपने अंदर के डर को हमें मिटाना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. When we fear the most, we fear it. When we do the most the things which we fear the most, like example, अगर आपको बंजिंग जंपिंग करने से डर लगता है तो बंजिंग जंपिंग को करिए, अपने अंदर के डर को ख़त्म कीजिए. If you overcome your fear, half of the war is won. Like you can win the half of your war success. Like success automatically comes. So डर के आगे जीत है. अगर कोई नाविक नाव को किनारे पे, नदी के किनारे पर लगा कर रखता है और वो उस डर से अगर वो नाव को बीच में, नदी के बीच में नहीं ले जाता है कि मेरी नाव अगर डूब गई तो क्या होगा, अगर इस डर से वो नाव को बीच में ही रखता है और आगे नहीं ले जाता है और दूसरे किनारे पर नहीं जाता है, तो वो ज़िंदगी में कभी आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता है, ज़िंदगी में कभी भी ग्रो नहीं कर सकता है, बड़ा बिजनेसमैन नहीं बन सकता है. तो इसलिए हमें अपने डर को ओवरकम करना ज़रूरी है. नंबर 2, टेंशन. Do you know John D. Rockefeller? You might have heard the name of John D. Rockefeller. At the age of 43, he purchased a Standard Oil company, and when he purchased this company, he started growing in his career. He started growing in the business, and at the age of 53 years, he started having a tension. He was having a tension in his mind of his business, and the tension became so much, like the tension grew in his mind so much that he became ill, and nobody on the, like in the city, no doctor can cure him. And only the one person from his relatives and said that there is nothing, anything, like nothing is there in yourself, you are not ill, you just have to stay tension free, leave all the tension, live happy, live healthy, and eat less and think less. And see what happened. Miracle happened after that. He lived for 99 years, and after that he purchased so many oil companies, he opened so many education institutes, he opened so many charity trust foundations, and he was one of the richest businessman in the world. And all the name, he was having a Rockefeller Foundation in the world. So number 3 is anger. At the age of 12 years, a famous lawn tennis player, Bjorn Borg, he was he played a match and he lost that match. And at that time, his father was also along with him. And when he lost the match, he started getting angry. Anger came to him, and like he started damaging all the things around him, whatever things he was having. Even he damaged his racket also. And when he damaged his racket, so his father got angry and took him and locked him in a room. And he said, whatever anger you were showing on the things and whatever anger you were showing on the racket, show that anger at the correct place and at the right direction, and show it in your game. Till the time you cannot control your anger, you will be locked in this room. And for 6 months he was locked in the room. After 6 months, when he came out of his room, and at the age of 18 years, he became professional. He became professional at the age of 18 years, and from the age of 18 years to 24 years, he won so many world championships. And after the age of 24 years, he won 5 Wimbledon matches. So see the power when he started controlling his anger. And after that, when he showed this anger in his work, in his profession, in his job, his work was done. See, problem है तो solution होगा ही होगा. हमें बेसिकली करने की क्या ज़रूरत है, हमें 3-4 चीज़ों की करने की ज़रूरत है, एंड वी विल डेफिनेटली गेट सक्सेस इन आवर लाइफ. द फर्स्ट थिंग इज बिलीफ, हैव अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ. सेकेंड थिंग इज overcome your fear. Third thing is avoid tension, and fourth thing is control your anger, and believe me, everything will come into place. So be what you want to be, but to be what you want to be, believe what you want to be. And if you believe what you want to be, everything will be in place. So this is Nisha Jain signing off for today. Thank you so much. Be fantastic, stay active, stay tuned, live healthy, live happy. Thank you so much.